It's a story you'll see only on NBC 26. Ladies, have you ever wanted to get breast implants but wondered about getting it just right? One option lets you test drive your cup size. NBC 26's Casey Hott takes a closer look.
Adjustable breast implants. It may not be exactly what you're thinking, and come to find out, it's an option not a lot of women know about. 41-year-old Julie Brown is grinning from ear to ear, not just because she's a successful legal analyst, a real estate guru, and a proud mom of two. She's happy to be alive.
Been through a lot.
She may only be in her early 40s, but Julie is a two-time breast cancer survivor. Her first diagnosis came at the age of 29.
Completely blown away.
She had the lumps removed and opted for saline implants to reconstruct both breasts. That was back in 2001.
Surgery back then, it was, I don't want to say more barbaric, but it kind of was. It was a little more taboo, I would say.
Fast forward to her second diagnosis more than a decade later, and Julie is happy to talk about her adjustable implant.
I didn't feel the pressure, I didn't feel the pain, and then they were slowly filled over 6 months. So I was able to decide what size did I want, what shape did I want, how far did I want to go with it.
We allow our patients to test different sizes, take it for a test drive, see how you like it.
The procedure has actually been around since the 70s as a way to help stretch the skin for mastectomy patients. It's also an option for cosmetic purposes. Here's how it works.
There's a magnet in here, so the patient would come into the office and we localize this with our stud finder. So then I place an X on her skin, and then I put a needle through the skin, and I can fill it up, take it down. The port on what I call the cosmetic one, it can be separate.
You can try different outfits, you can try different clothing, you can see how things look.
The implant is filled with saline, and you can keep coming in to adjust for about 6 months to a year before making your final decision on your implant size. However,
once you pull the port out, end of story.
Meaning that's the final size of the implant. Still, Julie says playing an active role in deciding how her body will look is crucial.
I think it's better to go in there and be a little bit smaller and enlarge yourself over time than to go in there and come out and feel like you've done something horribly wrong. And I would say with the adjustable implants, the benefits are far, far better.
Doctors say the only downside to the adjustable implant would be that it requires a minor procedure to take out the port. They add that silicone implants are still the most popular. Casey Hott, NBC 26.